Why is a Google Business Profile so important? Well, there's a lot of reasons, right? First of all, excuse me. First of all, it gives you increased visibility, right? These appear in local search and on Google Maps, making it easier for customers to find you. They tend to be at the near the top of the Google Business Pro, near the top of Google organic listings, the search results pages. Typically, though, you'll find things above that. You may find paid ads above it. You may find things like Google guarantees, which can show up above it as well. Occasionally, you'll find things like people also ask or other sorts of snippets that Google may show. But these are really the first sort of free listings that show up for a business that is locally enabled, right? It does improve your SEO. A well-optimized Google Business Profile enhances your local SEO, which can help your business rank higher in the search results. And as I mentioned earlier, folks that are doing good Google Business Profile and getting ranked in the top 3, they tend to get a lot more engagement. And so there's a lot of customer engagement that comes through the GBP because of the reviews, because of the ease of messaging, because you can easily click and call the business at hand. People can see the different posts that maybe they put up as well. There's also a lot of trust and credibility that gets built into this, right? Customers can showcase their positive reviews, see the accurate business information. And in essence, it's free advertising. Google doesn't charge you for any of this. You can advertise your local listing as well through their paid system, but if you're ranking well in local, you are going to be generating a lot of good quality transactional traffic coming to your website from your local listing. And the folks that come in from your local listing tend to be a bit more sticky. They spend a little bit more time on your website. They tend to move around a little bit more on your website. They tend to be more engaged on your website, and they tend to reach out more often than those that don't. So really, really important that you get this just right. So 4 and 5, again, here's some stats that I found really interesting. I double checked these also recently just to make sure that they're still accurate, as these things change pretty quickly. But 4 and 5 consumers conduct searches with local intent on search engines, right? I mean, some of these other tools like TikTok and social media as well. But more often than not, if you're looking for something in your neighborhood, you're going to go to Google and you're going to search for it, right? Or one of the engines anyway. 76% of consumers who search for near me visit a business within a day. So if you're looking for auto mechanic near me, or you're looking for a supermarket near me, or a bar near me, whatever it may be, generally 3/4 of the people that do that visit a business within a day. 46% of all Google searches have local intent. So almost half of all searches done on Google have some local intent behind them. Someone's looking for something near them to either do something, buy something, need something, whatever. And local mobile searches with a variant of can I buy or to buy or where to buy, things like that, have increased by 500% over the past 2 years. So again, people are looking to buy on Google, and they're looking locally more often than not. It's actually kind of a combination of stats from Backlinko, SEMrush, and Google's own data, and I confirmed it as of early 2025 too. Some other amazing stats: 88% of consumers who do a local search on their smartphone visit or call a store within a day. 88%, almost everybody who does a local search on their smartphone, they visit or call a store within a day. Again, think about your own behavior when you do something like that, right? Don't you, if you're looking for something, you call to see if they have something. If they do, you go get it, right? That's why you're looking. 54% of smartphone users search for business hours, and 53% search for directions to a local store as well. Guilty, done it all myself, right? 40% of global shoppers buy online, then pick up in store, right? This is more for products and services, of course, but lots of folks will buy something online and then go to Home Depot and pick it up, right? Or they'll buy something online and they'll go pick up their food, maybe. But that's a huge number right there. And then, of course, 30 to 35% of searches for something nearby result in a purchase, whatever that may be. All right. So again, when we're talking stats here, we're seeing huge numbers of people that do searches go and do something after that. They go to the store, they purchase online and pick up, they call, they visit. But bottom line is these people are transactional. They want something to happen. And just a few more things here I found on the web as I was looking through it, like mobile near me search growth over the past 2 years, over 500%. Monthly near me queries globally have gone up about 1.5 billion. There's about 800 million near me searches done in the US alone, right? And keywords related to near me, the near me, near us, open near me, 5.9 million plus of those. Um, Again, this is just, it's crazy. Like store near me growth has doubled year over year. Open now near me growth 200% over the last year. It's just crazy how important it is to be ranking for these near me local searches as well. We'll cover that in a bit more detail. And this is just from my own clients. I have a couple clients here. I've got a mover. When searching for just the word near me within, or just near in the listing for them, and this is their Google Search Console. You can see right at the top, over the last year, 717 times people searched for moving companies near me, moving company near me, long distance moving companies near me, long distance movers near me, and so on, right? Or my pressure washing company, paver sealing near me, power washing services near me, fence cleaning near me, concrete cleaning near me, and so on down the line. Near me is definitely a very big keyword qualifier when people are looking for something and they're looking for it near where they're located. So you've got to get that local listing going just right so that when someone near you is searching for the things they want, your listing shows up right for them to come get you, right?